Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to return items on Aliexpress and get a refund. So first of all, make sure to log in your account, either you're on desktop or mobile phone, and just click here and go to this section called My Orders. In the mobile, you can just go to this section called Mobile Orders, and from here you can just click on or these orders like shipped, and once you click it you will be seeing all the list of the items that you have ordered. So from here what you need to do is just make sure to select the item that you want to refund and select the item and click on order details. And once you click on order details, you will be seeing like all the details of your order, including your address, number, and the price of the item, everything. And from here you can just click on the option called return or refunds. And once you click on return or refunds, you will be asked like to delivery status, like why you want to return, like items were broken, or why do you want to return, and select the reason from the list as well, like item does not match or damaged or item are missing, or what is the reason that you are returning the item. And once you select that, after that they will ask you to like select the application type as well, like you just want to refund or you just want to return and refund as well. So make sure to select your reason, return and refund. And once you click here, yeah, they will just need to submit. And once you submit, it will take a few days to process. And if you want to track your like return and refund, in the left side you can just see an option called return and refund. You can just go here, and inside this section you will be seeing like everything in progress, like how many items are in progress that you have refunded or returned, and awaiting returns as well. So make sure to enter the order number or the store name as well, and just click on search if you have a lot of items. And once you click on search, you will be seeing everything related to the return or refund of your product. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.